Hello friends, Bhupesh Mehra here again from Suchi Engineers Mumbai. In my last video, I introduced you to electromagnetic surges which damage our electrical and electronic equipment. In this video, I'll try to explain why protection against these surges is important.
This is the summary of the three types of transient electromagnetic surges, namely lightning, switching, ESD or electrostatic discharge. To start with, lightning surges, which are very powerful, can damage capital electrical equipment as seen in this slide. The first reason calling for protection against surges is naturally economical. The damage to equipment, even if it is insured, can lead to a major plant shutdown or can prove to be a setback to a project in commissioning stage. The time required for replacing or repairing the equipment results in loss of productivity or an extension of the project schedule. In case the equipment is not insured, it leads to an unaccounted direct loss. This is the normal profit, depreciation, and break-even graphic. Unexpected destruction in a new plant extends the break-even period of investment and affects the depreciation value.
Imagine an industry which enjoys a large market share. Here, breakdowns can lead to a loss of reputation and increased order backlog.
This is the typical damage at electronics level due to switching surges. It may occur in key control or monitoring equipment, leading to plant trips, which may lead to time-consuming startups in continuous process plants besides production loss. In a batch plant, it may lead to the interruption of or offset the quality parameters of a batch, leading to its rejection. The second compelling reason for protection is availability. Many services call for uninterrupted availability. If the industry qualifies as essential service, such as hospitals, airports, traffic control, power distribution, failures can cause severe discomfort to its customers. Imagine interruption of remote data telecommunication or 24/7 video surveillance equipment due to electrostatic discharge. In industries where these inputs are vital, it is equally harmful. The final reason that calls for due protection is technology. All our modern electronic equipment has become miniaturized due to the use of latest technology. The advanced components of these devices are more vulnerable to damage as compared to the older technology. The modern devices, which offer us a lot of convenience and features, also need more protection.
Luckily, all the above effects of surges are avoidable. Selection of an appropriate surge protection device acts as an insurance policy against this unpredictable.